right now tonight here on the night team, joined by Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell. And Mallory, right now 77 degrees. You're saying here in Louisville, that's pretty toasty, pretty warm.
Pretty warm.
We've been getting some cool nights though.
Yes. So we're still expecting those temperatures to drop down into at least the 60s by tomorrow morning. Some spots outside of Louisville could dip down into the 50s. So we're still going to have those nice nights and mornings, but we're also going to have those warm afternoons. That does include for Louder Than Life later on this week, Thursday through Sunday. A big forecast change compared to last year when we had the remnants of Hurricane Helene come through and just pour down over the area. Also, strong winds, of course, were a threat. But this year, looking mostly dry and warm. Temperatures staying above normal, upper 80s to lower 90s. So you know the drill. Make sure you do stay hydrated if you're heading to the festival any day later on this week. The countdown to fall, it's on. Of course, we had that false fall, that little taste of fall at the end of August and early September. But since then, we have warmed right back up. And that will be the case as we pretty much kick off the new season. It even looks like early next week. So the official first day of fall is next Monday with the equinox. But take a look at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. A lot of orange, but we don't like to see that on this kind of map when we want some cooler weather. This means we are trending above normal in that time frame, 6 to 10 days out, the 22nd through the 26th of next week. We also really need rain. We're getting to that point. The first half of the year was so active. We had a lot of snow. We had flooding rains. We had river flooding, severe weather. I mean, that took us through at least June, if not into July. And then August and September so far have been drier. And we're really feeling that with the drought really growing across the area. It does look like we're going to stay dry through at least Friday. Slight chance of rain this weekend, but even that is trending a little bit lighter and a little bit later. So we're going to have to continue to watch the drought monitor. This is updated every Thursday. And at this point, we do have that moderate drought in the tan here across pretty much along and south of the parkways into western Kentucky. You're seeing severe drought even farther off to the west down to Memphis, over into Arkansas and up into Missouri as well. Satellite and radar tonight, we do have some clouds that have continued to drift through here. These should continue to break apart, and with clear skies overnight, that will allow those temperatures to drop. We have storms off to our west moving throughout the plains in Nebraska, and then we also have this area of low pressure right around D.C. This has brought some wind and rain to the mid-Atlantic states and now up into the D.C. metro tonight. Back here at home, hour by hour futurecast is showing partly cloudy to mostly clear skies overnight. That should allow temperatures to drop down to at least the 60s for most of us. Some upper 50s not out of the question if we get clearer skies. As we head throughout the day tomorrow, expect mostly sunny conditions. Temperatures in the low 80s by lunchtime, topping out in the upper 80s again tomorrow afternoon, likely hitting that 90-degree mark in Louisville. Mostly clear skies will take us into tomorrow night, with lows once again back in the 50s and 60s. So a lot of that rinse and repeat through about Friday. Friday's trending the hottest. Keep that in mind if you're heading to a high school football game. This weekend, upper 80s, a slight chance of rain. That 30% rain chance will take us into next Monday and Tuesday as well. Doug.